feet of sprinklers. In another section of the yard, he had to replace 18 feet of sprinklers. And then he had to go all the way down the side of the house where Skip had torn up all the sprinklers. And it was 35 feet of sprinklers. I know, can you believe that, dog? How many feet of sprinklers did Mr. Frakes have to replace all together? Great, I see some I'm thinking about it symbols. I see a couple I've got in answers. JJ, go. If you use your whiteboard, go ahead and grab one. Go ahead and grab it really quick. Gabby, how many total feet of sprinklers did you get? What was your answer?
68.
Did anybody get anything different? Porter, what'd you get?
Never mind, I agree with Gabby.
Okay, so you agree with Gabby.
I originally got 67, but I forgot to add one.
Okay, so you originally got 67, but you realized your mistake. Okay, please turn and sticky high five your partner. Okay, my answer was blank. The strategy I used was blank. My thinking is, fill it in. Person with the shortest hair, go ahead and start first.
My answer is 68. Okay, so
Snap, crackle, and pop. Miranda, would you please come share your strategy? Loud and proud, Miranda.
So,
My answer?
I use splitting. I split the 15 into a 10 and a 5. I split the 18 and a 10 and an 8. 35 into 30 and a 5. I did 10 plus 10 equals 20. 20 plus 30 equals 50. And then I did the 5 plus the 5 equals 10. 50 plus 10 equals 60. And then I added the 60 plus the 8. And that equals 68. So that's it, and I got my answer. Did anybody else use the same strategy as me?
See a couple connections out there.
Did anybody use a different strategy? Malaya.
Miranda, on your way down, what sort of cheer would you like?
Disco.
Learning a lot. Learning a lot. Okay, Malaya, let's see it.
So I did Mommy, but first I did a part toolbox. So I did a dime and a nickel and another dime and another nickel and three pennies. And I know that 10 plus 10 equals, wait, yeah, 10 plus 10 equals 20. And 5 plus 5 equals 10. So that's 30 so far. And so then I did 10. So then I did 3 nickels, 3 dimes and a nickel.
And that stands for what?
35. And I know that 3 plus 3 equals, wait. And I know that 3 plus 3 equals 60.
3 plus 3 equals 60?
Oh, wait. 30 plus 30 equals 60.
Malaya, maybe you can just talk through your strategy and say write your 60 cents. So you don't have to write 6 tens.
You can do, wait, what do you mean?
Because you're making this 30 and this 30 equals 60, right? But can you just write 60 cents? Because 60 cents is the same as 6 tens.
Okay. 60 cents, and then 5 plus 3 equals 8 cents. So 60 cents plus 8 cents equals 68 cents.
Awesome, Malaya. Malaya, what kind of a chair would you like?
Disco.
Okay. I am banning the disco cheer tomorrow. We have time for one more strategy. Malaya, you can call one more person.
Did anyone use the same strategy as me? Did anyone do a different strategy? took away 5 from here, and that equals 30. And I added 5 to here, and that equals 20. And 20 plus 30 equals 50. And so I have the 18 left. And so I split the 18 into a 10 and an 8. And so 50 plus 10 equals 60. And 60 plus 8 equals 68. Did anybody use the same strategy as me?
Oh, you have lots of connections out there, Harmon. Those numbers, those 5s, lend themselves really well to that strategy. Harmon, what kind of a cheer do you want? Don't do it. Something else.
Let's go bam.
Okay, ready?
Learn a lot. Learn a lot.
Okay, Tigers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you to Lola, who immediately put herself in slant, as did Taylor, as did Lily. John's holding up the quiet symbol. So today, ladies and gentlemen, for our number string strategy, we looked at adding 15, 18, and 35, and we did it in 3 different ways. Harmon used compensation. Miranda used splitting, and Malaya used money. Cool thinking, mathematicians. All right, good job.